Wow. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, I'm Carmel, and in today's video, we are doing a fridge. Oh, why are you going away?
Oh, sorry.
In today's video, we are doing a fridge clean out. So we're gonna clean and organize the fridge, and I thought since everybody's at home and quarantining that this will be a fun video and maybe it'll inspire you to clean out your fridge. We're gonna do the freezer also because it's also gross. I hope you guys enjoy, and let's go ahead and get started. This is the before of our fridge. Really gross, lots of stuff that's probably expired. Then this is the freezer, which, look at that. What is that? Oh my God. So we're gonna go through it, we're gonna take everything out, we're gonna clean it out, and reorganize it. You ready?
Ready.
Okay, so what in here? This stuff can go because like I don't drink this, it's too sweet. Do you need these chocolates?
Yes, that's so good.
$20.15. Disgusting.
Oh, so is this.
Ew.
This fridge is like a yearbook.
2018?
January 2020.
I just bought that. Okay, because then I'm gonna wipe it all. Wait, can I? Oh, I can just wash it.
Where, in there?
Yeah, the sink.
Your face?
Just soap and water.
No, mother.
See, you make Evan come here, you make him work. He said he wanted to come.
This, look at that. Oh my gosh, this is filthy. And now for the after. I decided to put my favorite wine and my Casamigos in here since I use them for like my margaritas and stuff. And we put the coffee creamers over here, the coffee, and the stuff that we usually reach for, like condiments and stuff. We got our cheeses, we got our various container stuff, our butter. We put the meats, the deli meats up here, and the eggs because they're like smaller, and then I have my dog's food. So we made this shelf bigger for leftovers and fruits and stuff. And then our drinks. I got my HelloFresh little shelf, the produce, and then this is just frozen, so I didn't even bother touching that. Now onto the freezer. And now for the after. Booyah! So we did a little less in the freezer. It was more just like reorganizing and just dumping the old stuff, but it looks a lot better than before, so we're good. I look so much messier than I did when we started this video. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching us clean out the fridge and the freezer, and hopefully it'll inspire you to clean out your fridge also. I don't know, whatever. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.